welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. So in this video I will talk about a new range of skincare which Lotus Herbals has launched, and this range is called the IKKAI range, and I have got a kit from that range and it's called the Travel Pro Leave-In Up Pack. This is the product and it's in the variant Radiance and Pink Glow. So it's newly launched in Nykaa, and the day I saw it I bought it and I got it around 2 days back, but I haven't opened it till now. I will be opening it in front of you guys and I will be also trying it in front of you. So I will review this entire pack and from the IKKAI range, and I will also provide you an application and demo of me using this products. So if you want to know more about this Travel Pro Leave-In Up Pack from the IKKAI range and how it worked on me, whether I liked it or not and everything, then please continue watching. So IKKAI is the new skincare range of Lotus Herbals, and it's said to be that this range is completely an organic range of skincare, and all of the products of the IKKAI range are free from preservatives, parabens and other harsh chemicals, so it won't harm your skin at all. And since this whole range is an organic range, so all the products are infused with natural elements, natural ingredients. You can find fresh juicy fruits in this range. So if you have sensitive skin, combination skin, dry skin, oily skin and whatever, you can use this stuff because most of the products of this range are suitable for all skin types. So the best part of this IKKAI range is that the packaging is really cute and flirty. When I'll be opening all the stuffs inside this pack, you'll be able to see that all the products look really cute and flirty, and it's really affordable, so you can just buy it. And Lotus Herbals has also kept the price of the IKKAI range at a much lower side, means at an affordable side, so you will be easily able to grab those products. So now coming to this pack, this is called the Travel Pro Leave-In Up Pack in the variant Radiance and Glow. You can see this is the packaging and it looks so cute and flirty, and it has got 3 stuffs inside it which I'm going to show you. So when you just open the pack, you get 3 sachets of this. So these are the stuffs, and the first thing that I get, the first sachet is called the Organic Awesome Almond Face Scrub. So this is a face scrub, and the second one is the IKKAI Fruity Surprise Face Mask. So this one is a face mask, and the third one is the IKKAI Organic Papaya Preserve Face Souffle. So you'll be getting these 3 stuffs. You can see these are the stuffs which I got in this Leave-In Up Pack, and this one is the scrub, which is the almond scrub. This one is the face souffle, and the third one that I got is called the face mask, and it's in the variant Fruity Surprise. So you can see these are the 3 sachets which I got in this Leave-In Up Pro Pack in the variant Radiance and Pink Glow. So it has got a lot more variants as well, so you can choose whatever suits you. I have got this one because it's just all about pinky glow and everything, so I just got it. This kit retails for rupees 210, but if you want to buy this sachet separately, you will be also able to buy. And if you buy it separately, the almond sachet, that is a IKKAI Organic Awesome Almond Face Scrub, retails for rupees 75, and the IKKAI Papaya Preserve Face Souffle and IKKAI Fruity Surprise Face Mask, these 2 retails for rupees 85 each. So I think it's better to buy the entire kit rather than to buy these sachets separately, because if you buy this pack in a kit form, you will be only paying rupees 210. So Lotus Herbals has kept this IKKAI range in a much affordable price range, and I am really happy for that because you can easily grab onto these products and easily use it. So I haven't opened it till now, guys, because It's new, you can see. I'll be trying it in front of you, and this whole kit is framed to provide you radiance and pink glow. The almond scrub will provide you nourishment and refinement to your skin, and the fruity surprise face mask from the IKKAI range is full of nourishment and moisturizing. So this is very much nourishing and moisturizing for your skin. And this papaya preserve face souffle is for replenishing and brightening of your skin. So all these three products will work together on your skin to provide you pinkish and radiant glows. This reason I have got this stuff. If you want any other kits from this range, you can also buy it. So each of these sachets has got 10 grams of product. So I think the amount that you are getting in a single sachet, you can just use it for 2 to 3 times. So it's not available in tube forms or any tub forms. It's available in sachet form, as it is preservative free, and you need to just use this up completely and very quickly. So you can just use this whole kit for doing a mini sort of facial at home. If you don't want to go to parlor or any other salon, then you can just try these products at home and you can just use it as a facial. So I'll be trying it in front of you guys and will be letting you know. So please now move on to the demonstration of me applying these products on my face. So I will start with a clean face, and at first I'm using this organic awesome almond face scrub, and I'm cutting this sachet with the help of a scissor, and I am taking this much. I think this amount will cover up my entire face, and it said that you have to use very gentle motion to work the scrub on your face, and I am just putting it all over my face, and it smells really good, guys. So I'm taking a little bit of water and started on just rubbing it all over my face in gentle circular motions. This will just remove all your dead skin cells from your face and will just clean up your pores. So after washing my face looks like this, and you can see my skin feels really refreshed and my pores are clean, and my skin is now a lot more breathable than before. So the second thing that I am applying is the Fruity Surprise Face Mask, and it's light lavender in color, and it has got a lot of fruit juices which actually will work on your skin, and it will provide you nourishment and moisturization to your skin. So I am applying this mask all over my face with the help of this brush and let it dry for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I will just wash it off. And you can see the instant brightness on my face after washing off this mask, and I look really nice. So the third thing that I am using is the organic papaya preserve face souffle, and it exactly smells like papaya. I really don't like papaya. And the texture is exactly like the dessert souffle you want to have with your dinner, and I am just applying it all over my face with the help of a brush and will let it sit on my face for around 10 minutes. After that, I will just wash it off. You can see my face looks a lot more hydrated than before, and my pores are refined, and I really just feel refreshed, guys. I really feel refreshed. The face mask has done a great job for me, and I really recommend it to you. I really like this one, and I am happy that I applied it on my face. So guys, I hope you have seen how the IKKAI Live-In Up Pro Pack worked on my skin. And the scrub, the almond scrub, is really good. It's not too harsh and gritty, so it is really mild, and it really removed my dead skin very well. And the face souffle is really good. It's really hydrating on my skin. It won't dry out your skin, and the face pack has got a lot of fresh juicy fruits, so it will instantly give you a great brightening effect. So this really worked on me. You have to use it regularly to get the best results. I would suggest you that you can just use the stuffs at least once to twice a week to get best results, and it's really affordable. You can just buy it if you want. So that's all for today, guys. These are all about the Liven Up Pro Pack from IKKAI, and I am really happy that I got it because this is an affordable pack. You can try it if you want, and it's fresh and it's really organic, so it will not at all cause any sort of problem on your skin, so you can try it. And so here comes the end of the video, guys. I hope you really liked this review and my review has helped you a lot, and if it did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, or if you are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe. It means a lot to me, and press on the notification bell to get updates about my future videos. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.